Hello everyone. Start to the today's lecture. आपला ऑल ओव्हर सिलेबस झालेलाच आहे. आपण कम्प्युटर सायन्स पेपर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बँक बघणार आहोत आता. मार्च 2021. देन सूचना फक्त विद्यार्थ्यांचा प्रश्न प्रकाराचा सराव करून देण्यासाठी. देन सेकंड वन, सदर प्रश्नसंचातील प्रश्न बोर्डाच्या प्रश्नपत्रिकेत येतीलच असे नाही याची नोंद घ्यावी. म्हणजे तुम्हाला तुमचा पेपर पॅटर्न कसा असणार आहे ते फक्त फॉर एक्झाम्पल सांगितलेले आहे, बट ह्याच क्वेश्चन बँकमधूनच क्वेश्चन येतील असेही नाही. देन नेक्स्ट वन, क्वेश्चन बँक 12th स्टँडर्ड पेपर फर्स्ट चॅप्टर फर्स्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टीम MCQ 1 मार्क. First MCQ, operating system is a filling the blanks. Option hardware, software, printer, input device. The answer will be software. Operating system is a software. Answer is second. Then second one, open files is a system called provided under filling the blanks of operating system. Option information management, process management, memory management, GUI. Answer will be information management. Open files is a system called provided under information management of operating system. Next one, program under execution is known as a filling the blanks. Option file, information, data, process. Answer will be process. Program under execution is known as a process. Next one, filling the blanks is a service of memory management of operating system. Option copy a file, suspended a process, allocate a chunk of a memory. Then last one, open a directory. Answer will be allocate a chunk of a memory. Next one, fifth one, Windows 98 is a filling the blanks operating system. Option first, single user multitasking. Second one, uni-programming. Third one, multi-user. Then last one, multi-processing. Answer will be single user multitasking. Windows 98 is a single user multitasking operating system. Next one, sixth one, filling the blanks is a free operating system. Unix, Linux, Mac OS, then MS Windows. Linux operating system. Next one, seventh one, in magnetic taps filling the blanks access method is used. Option direct, random. Third one, sequential, binary. Answer will be sequential. In magnetic taps sequential access method is used. Then 8.1, concentric circles or disk surface are known as filling the blanks. Option tracks, sectors, cluster, paths. Answer will be first, tracks. Concentric circle on disk surface are known as a tracks. Then ninth one, time taken to adjust the appropriate sector under read or write head in disk is called as a. Option seek time, access time, transmission time, latency time. Answer will be latency time. Time taken to adjust the appropriate sector under read or write head in disk is called a latency time. Then next, device drivers are filling the blanks. Software programs, viruses, scanner, devices used to run CD. Answer first, software programs. 11, a terminal or video means filling the blanks. Voice doubling unit, visual display unit, very dumb unit, then video display utility. Second one, visual display unit. The answer will be 11 number. Then next, 12th, filling the blanks is a logical unit of data that operating system defines for its conveniences. Then option track, sector, block, plate. Answer will be block. Then next, in multi-programming operating system, the number of processes running simultaneously is known as a filling the blanks. Context, index number, threads, then degree of a multi-programming. Answer will be degree of a multi-programming. Then next, 14. When a process is waiting for an external event like I/O, it is in filling the blanks state. Option running, block, ready, held. Answer will be block. Then next, 15. In non-primitive philosophy of process scheduling, throughput, filling the blanks, option decreases, increases, remains constant, has no effect. Answer will be increases. Then 16. Filling the blanks, process scheduling is most suitable for real-time system. Option slow, non-primitive, primitive, then single. Answer will be primitive. Primitive process scheduling is most suitable for a real-time system. Then next one, 17. Filling the blanks is also known as a lightweight process. Option thread, program, time slice, operating system. Answer thread. Then 18. Operating system maintains all the information about each process in a data structure called as a filling the blanks. Process list, process control block, process schedule, then process philosophy. Answer will be second, process control block. Then 19. Memory management service of a operating system manages allocation of a filling the blanks. Option disk based memory, tab based memory, main memory, then last one flash memory. Answer will be main memory. Then 20. Filling the blanks is a non-continuous real memory management system. Option fixed partition, variable partition, single continuous, then paging. Answer will be paging. Then 21. In filling the blanks method of a memory management system, logical division of a program are of a variable sizes. Option segmentation, paging, variable partition, then fixed partition. Answer will be segmentation. Then next, wastage of a memory space within the partition is called as a filling the blanks. Option computation, then internal fragmentation, external fragmentation, then dirty page. Answer will be second, internal fragmentation. Then next, 23. If page size of a 4 MB memory is 2 KB, then the number of a higher order bits on address bus used to the denoted page number is filling the blanks 8, 9, 10, 11. Answer will be 11. Then 24. When a page which is not in main memory is referenced, then filling the blanks occurs. Option first, locality of reference, then second one, page fault, then dirty bit, then system crash. Answer will be page fault. Then 25. Filling the blanks cannot work independently. Option operating system, drivers, virus, then worm. Answer will be virus. Then 26. Filling the blanks spread more rapidly in computer networks but do not cause direct harm to the computer system. Option worm, memory reset virus, then boot sector virus, then bomb. Answer will be worm. Then next one, filling the blanks control in GUI allows to select only one option from the given option. Then second option, check button, entry box, push button, then radio button. Option will be radio button. Then next 28, filling the blanks is generally used in GUI to look at the information which is not currently visible on a screen. Option menu bar, scroll bar, push button, check button. Answer will be scroll bar. Then next 29, filling the blanks is not an operating system. Option DOS, Windows, Linux, C++. Answer will be C++ is not an operating system. Then last one 13, filling the blanks is allocated to every process so that a process does not use to CPU indefinitely. Option context, priority, time slice, then process control block. Answer will be time slice. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फक्त फिलिंग द ब्लँक्स बघितलेले आहे. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 3 मार्क्सचे क्वेश्चन कसे विचारले जातात आणि कोणकोणते विचारले जाणार आहे ह्या लेसनमध्ये ते आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला बघणार आहोत. थँक्यू स्टुडंट्स, कीप वॉच माय व्हिडिओ.